We got ourselves a chicken foot style harmonic balancer puller. This is a more heavy duty one. Nice solid. Comes with these fancy schmancy bolts. And we've got to pull this harmonic balancer. You can see this is like a flat face style. So you take the pulley off and you're left with 6 holes. So you want to match up your hardware that came with your kit from your chicken foot. You want to match up your diameter and your threads. Make sure they lock together. This is the ticket right here. We want to get a few threads going. There we go. That gives the center bolt something to push on and pull this out. Let's get our other 2 bolts started. All right, we're going to tighten these bolts up until they bottom out right here on our balancer. Now we're all set with our 3 bolts, and we've got our 22 millimeter on our harmonic balancer puller. So this big bolt in the middle is going to push up against the harmonic balancer bolt. All right, we ran out of room on our bolt. Our balancer is all the way out. There we go. I reset the bolt so that it's out further and we can get some more press action on it. Oh, she's wiggle jiggling. That means she's loose.
Folding.
Bolt out, bolt is out, and we should be able to wiggle jiggle this off. And there's your harmonic balancer.